Hello everyone, welcome to the channel FX Marine. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up or how you can create a Binance futures bot using 3COMMAS platform. The special thing here is that I am going to set up this bot using a very small capital like 20 US dollars, right? And the other thing is that I'm going to use this capital $20 to set up Binance futures DCA bot, dollar cost average bot. Normally, when setting up DCA bots, it requires a lot of capital because it keeps on buying or keeps on selling at predetermined level. So you need a lot of funds to create this DCA bot. But when it's come to Binance futures and together with 3COMMAS, we can do with even $20 because we are using Binance leverage and 3COMMAS automated platform. So here it is very important that even a small balance can do a lot of things in crypto field, right? So before starting this video, I would like to talk about 3COMMAS and 3COMMAS plans. And when you go to 3COMMAS, there are amazing opportunities in crypto. However, the crypto markets never sleep. Alright, that means you wake up only to find out that you have missed that incredible trading opportunity. So that's why people use trading bots to trade in their sleep. So that's why you need 3COMMAS, because when you use 3COMMAS, you can sleep without having any problem, because your bots are working very well and these are very powerful bots. So if you need 3COMMAS plans, what you have to do is you can check in Google's 3COMMAS plans and you will see what you have in 3COMMAS. So if you are looking at this video for the very first time and you don't know what 3COMMAS is, 3COMMAS is automated platform. So they have plans. If you use the free plan, so the best thing is that you don't have to pay anything. You can get one grid bot, one option bot and one DCA bot. So we are going to use this one DCA bot in this video, how you can use this one, because it gives you for futures as well. So futures bot also you can run one DCA bot without paying anything. And if you're satisfied with this one, you can upgrade your package to starter or advanced or pro, right? So this is amazing bot. I would say I have been using this one for last 2 years and I have never had any problem with this one, and I'm very satisfied user of 3COMMAS. So if you like to have this amazing opportunity, I have put the link in the description. You can get 10% discount for your purchase as well. So if you're happy with this one, let's go to today's video. So here I'm going to use 3COMMAS platform and Binance exchange. And here if you want to create one DC, but what you have to do is you have to just click plus icon, right? So when you have click plus icon, you will have this kind of window pop up. So what you have to do is just click advanced and create new DCA bot. So DCA bot creating interface is like this. Then you can name the bot as you like, whatever you can put the name. This is only for your identification or something like this is for your identification. And the next thing is you have to select the exchange you want to run. I have so many exchanges, I have link here, but here in this case I'm going to run futures bot. So I can put any name I like, futures. So I'm going to use currency pair Ethereum USDT. All right, so my name would be Binance futures Ethereum USDT, right? So the other thing is I'm going to use a long bot, right? All right, so I can put anything I like here. And I have selected the currency pair Ethereum USDT per USDT, and here I'm going to select long because I'm going to long my positions, right? So before starting this one, actually it requires to do some kind of technical analysis and see where the market goes, but I'm not going to do that here because it would be going to be this video going to be a very long one, right? So it is up to you how you're going to do that one. And best order size, I would say I'm putting here $50, right? And so one may ask if you are going to put the base order size 50 and how you can do with entire bot for $20, because here the thing is we are going to use the leverage. So we are going to use the leverage cross, and I'm going to use 20x, right? 20x times leverage I'm going to use. So it is true that when you're going to use high leverage, it is always a big risk for your entire capital. So it is up to you how much you are going to use this one. Because I want to use this 20x, I'm going to use a very small balance. If I'm going to use the lower leverage, I won't be able to make this one. So I'm using at the moment 20x, right? So whatever I'm showing here is only for educational purpose, and don't take it as financial advice, right? So the basic things I have already filled, base order size 50 and leverage cross and leverage 20x, right? So then we can go down to deal start condition. There are so many conditions to start a deal. So for the moment I will select RSI, relative strength index, and I would choose 5 minutes and less than 20 or 30, whatever you can type here. So here 5 minutes or any time frame you can select. As the time frames goes high, the accuracy of signal is also high. But for the moment for this demonstration purpose, I would put 5 minutes time frame, and take profit, I would say 1% would be okay. And here take profit type I would put total volume, and stop loss, definitely I'm going to put this stop loss activated. But before that, we have so many calculations to do, because this is going to be a this is not going to be a normal futures bot. This is dollar cost average bot. That means that bot is going to buy if the market goes down, if the market moves against me. That means my wish is to market should go up, but in the other way, if the market goes down, this dollar cost average bot takes creating more trades as the market goes down. So since this is not only one trade, there will be multiple trades, so we have to do some calculation. I will show you that calculation also, how you can do that one. So stop loss, I would definitely activate this one, but after some time I do my calculation and I come back here to activate my stop loss, right? The safety orders I would say 55, and price deviation to open 2%, and maximum safety orders count I would say 3, and max active safety orders count also 1, right? Safety order volume scale and the safety order step scale I will keep like this. And so basic setup is alright. This safety order size 55 means that actually this safety order means that, as I explained before, if the market is going to move against you, if the market is going to go down, it will keep on buy $55 worth of Ethereum at 20x leverage 3 times. This is safety orders 3 times, so 55 55 55 3 times it is going to buy. And buying levels are 2% down from each level. So example, if Ethereum is bought at 1,424, and if the market doesn't go up and market goes down, and 2% down from this price, again this DCA bot will create one node at with the amount of $55. If still goes down, it will create another $55 order at another 2% down. Like that, there would be 3 trades maximum it would create, right? There are so many advanced settings here, but I'm not going to do this one. If you are interested, that one also you can do. Don't start deals if the daily volume is less than this much, but actually this is not applicable for Ethereum, because at the Ethereum is having a very high liquidity, so you should not worried about liquidity problem here. And the maximum price to open deal and maximum price to open deal, and sorry, this is minimum price, and then this is maximum price. You can put this one, example, if you are going to put 1,600, that means if the price is going to go higher in 1,600, this bot will stop working, it will stop buying, right? So cool down between deals means that if you put any number like 30 seconds or something like that, that means when one trade is closed before the next trade start, it will take 30 minutes cooling down time, right? So for me, I don't need this one, so I will leave this one blank. And the other one is open deals and stop. That means that this bot, if you are putting example 10, means that bot will create 10 trades. That means after that bot will stop, right? So if you are not putting anything, means that bot will continue to run until it hits stop loss. So here all the settings have been completed. Now we have to go for the calculator, and I will show you this amazing calculator I found when I Google this one, thanks to the person who created this one. So well, let me go to the calculator. So this is the calculator I talked about, and this is Binance Futures anti-liquidation bot calculator. So this is an amazing calculator, so you can find all the important information before you create a Binance Futures bot. So I have put everything here. So my wallet balance $20. This is without leverage. So as I explain you, I'm going to set up DCA bot for $20. So I put $20 here, and the base order I put 50 and 55. I will show you exactly what I put in the right. This is set up base order 50 and the safety order is 55. The same thing I have put here, 50 and 55. This entry price is automatically selected. This is if it is changed, when you refresh it will update here. Then I have selected the currency pair Ethereum USDT, and I have select long. So this is going to be a long position, right? Max safety trades count I have put 3 in 3COMMAS as well, and the leverage I have selected 20. And price deviation to open safety orders 2%. Each 2% down, there will be 3 safety orders being taken. And safety order volume scale I put 1, and the step scale also 1. And this is additional thing that you don't have in 3COMMAS. I will explain what this is, and you can remember all these things I have put in my 3COMMAS settings. Safety order step scale 1, volume scale 1, max safety orders count 1, and safety orders total is 3, right? So again to calculator, and all these being set up, and you can see max amount for bot usage is $11 because we are using a leverage here, right? And this 11 also dollars should be the same as in 3COMMAS. You can see $11 here, right? And max deal volume is 260. That means that you have to multiply this one into 20. It would be 220. So this is approximately correct, because it is not going to be always 55. It can be 54, 56 like that. So this is okay. And leverage 20, and max safe order price deviation 6%, because 2% one time, and there would be 3 safety orders. So 2 into 3 6%. And recommended minimum wallet balance $11 for bot, and 7% dump 8.5358. This 7%, how it comes is already 6% here, and one more 1% here. This one I told you I will explain. This is additional percentage price drop after fill the last safety order. So there will be 3 safety orders. After the 3rd safety order completed, this bot can go even 1% down without liquidation. So if you want to go further down, you need $21.75. So as I explained, I want to make it for $20, less than 20, 19.558. This bot, when you set up this bot, it is capable of handling 7% down market crash. So your funds will not be liquidated. So after 7% only, your entire $20 will be liquidated. So One can argue this 7% is not enough. Your bot will be finished within 1 day. That can happen. And because I wanted to show you how you can create this bot even with the $20. If you don't like this 7%, of course you can increase your balance and get it down at least 15%, 20%. That would be great. So for the moment I am happy with 7% down. So until 7% down, the market fluctuation gives you more profit, because each 1% up there would be more profits coming to you, because take profit is 1%. Each time 1% goes up from the buying price, it makes profit for you. The worst case scenario, if the 7% goes down, your funds will be liquidated. And if you, as I explained before, if you don't happy with 7%, of course you can increase your wallet balance to get it this down as much as low, right? So the other thing is, one more thing we can do, we can reduce this one to $30, and we can reduce this to $40. And so you can see the price has gone down. So you can go up to, I would say, right, so you can go up to 11% down. So this bot good enough to hold your funds and hold your bot even the market crashes 11%, right? But here the thing is, when the base order size and the safety order size goes small, means that the amount of profit you are going to be very low. So that's, I don't like to put this one 30 and 40. I would like 50 and 55. So I'm happy with this thing, right? So okay, we have already created the bot, and let's go back to 3COMMAS, and now we are ready to create this bot. Create bot successfully saved. Start bot, yes, start. Bot is turned on, okay. And now you can see the bot has already configured. If anyone wants, you can click this one, new trade, as soon as possible. So bot will start creating the base order, but I will not do this one because my first order will be executed when the RSI indicator touch 30%, right? 30%, 30 line, right? But if somebody wants to run this one as soon as possible, still you can do that one. The bot will start. So now according to my setting parameters, this bot will start when the RSI indicator reaches 30 line. So I think you all understood what I wanted to show you, how you can create it. Even with the $20 capital, you can create an amazing bot with Binance futures and 3COMMAS collaboration. So I invite you to try your own bot using the strategy I have shown you. So this is how you are going to do these settings. Is up to you, because you want, maybe you want more market crashes, so you want to set up your bot much lower than the 7%. That would be great, but you need a little bit more money for that one. So basically you can adjust whatever the settings according to your capital and get more safe trading bot for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'm more happy to answer all your questions if you comment below in this video. So thank you very much again. See you in the next video.